I bring greetings to all of you from the National Federation of Dalit Women. I am so glad and honored to be part of the exchange of solidarity between the Black Americans and Dalits in India and in South Asia. I want to brief you what Dalit experiences. Dalit experiences an historic oppression, systemic and structural, and stigma of untouchability due to caste ideology or Varnashrama, with this idea, concept, notion of pollution purity has become an instrument for legitimizing power and privilege in a hierarchical, unjust social order. Untouchability conveys a sense of impunity, and defilement implies socio-religious disabilities, the most depressed economic condition. Dalit women constitute 49.96% of the 200 million Dalit population, 16.3% of the total Indian female population, and they face multiple discrimination and disabilities. Dalit women are forced to do degrading occupation, that is like manual scavenging. You scavenge by hand the shit. Condemned to most menial unpaid jobs, violent appropriation and sexual control over Dalit women, systematic rape, stripping, parading nude, forcing consumption of human excreta, perpetuation of forced prostitution in the name of religion through Devadasi system. Singularly, Dalit women are positioned at the bottom of class, caste, gender hierarchy. Like everybody is so familiar with the Hathras case. In Hathras case, what are the issues that the Dalit woman she had faced? The state and dominant caste nexus, supporting private actors committing discriminatory acts, and prohibits to bring an end to caste discrimination. Second is colossal failure of the state, disproportionately targeting Dalits. Even today in the village, their houses being covered by the police, not the perpetrators. Perpetrators are walking freely in the village. Defenders turn violators, the police. Instead of protecting the women, the audacity is they have taken the body and burnt them. So, is a custodial abuse, torture of Dalits, police extortion and looting, failures of police to properly book the cases against the perpetrators. They face multiple discrimination or horrendous crimes against the Dalits. This is the life of Dalit. In Hathras case, it is very true. What do we do in this situation? I have argued before that the racial discrimination on the basis of caste system is probably the longest surviving hierarchy system in existence in the world today. Therefore, by framing life, struggles and aspiration of Dalit women in terms of struggles for human rights and against racial discrimination, eradication of caste discrimination within the scope of global social justice movement, I think the Afro-Americans and the Dalits, we unite to fight racial and caste discrimination. The whole world has to give solidarity in our fight. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar very clearly said, our fight is not for wealth or for status or for properties, but to reclaim our lost humanity. This is the message I want to leave with all of you. Thank you very much.